So how do you get to the ice cave in Les Deux Alpes? Hi, I'm Cameron and I make a load of ski content. If you like this kind of stuff, please consider subscribing and liking the video. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Firstly, before we get started, I want to say the ice cave is very dangerous. It can collapse at any point, so I don't advise anyone going there unless they know the risks. So if you're worried about the ice cave or there's warning signs around it, probably don't go in it or ski over it. To get to the ice cave, you have to take January up all the way to 3,200 meters. That's January from the base and then to the mid station and then to the top. Then you need to ski in the signal sector. You take the furthest right-hand side run from your point of view down, called signal, and when you get to the halfway point, it will be slightly steeper. On the right will be the barriers, and to the right of the barriers will be the ice cave. You have two options here. You can either ski down from the bottom and view it from the bottom, or you can ski across the top carefully and even ski into it and through it like you see on all these viral videos online. Again, doing this is risky, so please be careful and do it everything at your own risk. And if you're not a very confident skier or snowboarder, don't do it at all. Before you ski down, get a friend to go and check it and make sure the path's clear and there's no one in the way. Often people will walk through and take loads of photos and spend a lot of time, and if you're going quite fast, you won't be able to stop. Also, at the end of it, there is quite a few lips, just be prepared for that, because you don't want to catch any air if you're not meant to, because then that could lead to a crash. Now I'll show you the footage from our trip to Les Deux Alpes in Jan 2026, where we spent, I think it was one of the Wednesday the 6th there, and we skied there. We managed to actually ski through it, so that's a really cool clip coming up in a minute, and we walked and climbed around the glacier. However, the next day I think there was a controlled explosion there, on purpose obviously, to make the ice cave collapse so it didn't collapse on people. I'm assuming Ski Patrol did this just to make sure that no one gets hit by a massive ice chunk. But yeah, again, just iterating how dangerous it can actually be.
All right, let's go find the ice cave. Yeah. Yeah, this. And this one. Oh, this is good. Oh, no, quick! Oh, nearly ran out of speed there. Alex! Move! Go with them. No, this is cooked. Huh? Yeah, we see the people. We know. They're saying there's people. Oh.
Fucking hell. You're gonna wipe me out then.
No, I don't.
Recording.
Is the red light or blue light on? Red light! Is there someone behind us now? They're in the way, this is the only problem. Excusez-moi! Excusez-moi! Fucking hell, we got the Instagram people. Hello! Point? Where? Am I just gonna eat a rock? Oh, this is so slippy. Huh? This is so cool though. Is he gonna photo of me? I kinda wanna turn. Alex, can I hit a turn? No. Oh, but I'm stronger on my left side. Hit it. Yeah. Here, jump up. Oh. Excusez-moi, excusez-moi! Oh, sorry, Alex.
So many people crashed.
Woo!
Thanks for watching this guide. I hope you enjoy the ice caves if you are going. Again, please be careful, and if you like this stuff, please subscribe and like the video.